Swami Samartha. 7 years back, when I visited Swami Samartha Mutt, the Kaka there, the Pandit of the Mutt, we call him Kaka, he told me to read Swami Charitra Saramrut for 11 Thursdays. This is 7 years back, and since then I follow this. Shri Swami Charitra Saramrut include all adhyay, stories, leelas of Swami Samartha. There are total 21 adhyay. Devotees of Swami Samartha have firm belief in Swami that all the life problems will get resolved. These are the steps that has been told to me by the Kaka, which I am sharing with you. First of all, it's really important that we clean our house, clean every corner of the house, sprinkle water at the entrance of the house, and also decorate the front entrance with the rangoli. I'm sure most of us do this every day. This is very important because you are welcoming Swami Samartha to your house. After that, you can set up your Devghar, which we generally do it, right? So you can do it the same way that you do every day. You must be cleaning the puja room, applying halad, kumkum, tilak, flower, dhoop, right? So whatever you do every day, you put rangoli, right? So you can do that as a step 2. If you have a Swami Samartha idol or a photo in your house, you can keep that in front while you're reading Swami Charitra Saramrut. You can do Pancha Amrut Abhishek to Swami, after which you can apply tilak, you can offer flower, you can light the diyas. Next, you keep 10 betel leaf, which is a set of 2, so total 5. And keep keep supari and 1 rupee coin on each of these set of leaf, and keep 1 coconut on the side. Keep all of these in front of the puja ghar where you are sitting and reading the Swami Charitra Saramrut. The 5 set of betel leaf, Vida Pan, what we call it in Marathi. These are basically for the 5 god. One is in the name of Ganapati, by whose name we always start any puja. The second is for Swami, one is for your Kula Devata, one is for your Grama Devata, and one is for your Ishta Devata, which is any other god that you have firm belief or faith in. You can apply haldi, kumkum, keep flower on all of these 5 set of betel leaf. You can show agarbatti and do puja, perform puja first to Lord Ganesha, and then you can perform puja to Lord Swami Samartha, to your Kul Devta, to Gram Devta, and to your Ishta Devta. Pray to all the god for the success of your prayer today. After you are done with all of these, which is after putting the rangoli, after decorating your puja ghar, after offering tilak, flower, diya, dhoop to all the god, after praying to all the god, after this is done, you can take sankalp. Sankalp is basically the intention for which you're doing this puja. So how we do sankalp is you have to take your right palm, and on the right palm you have to take a little rice, you have to put a little haldi, a little kumkum, some flower petals, and then you have to pour a spoon of water onto that. You have to hold this very close to your heart, and you have to say your sankalp to the Swami. Say this sankalp with lot of bhav. Bhav is very important when you offer any kind of worship to God. The greater the bhav of the individual who's offering this puja, the greater is the possibility of the success. After reading the sankalpa, you have to, after saying the sankalpa, you have to leave this water in front onto Swami's feet, or you can do it on a plate. After this is done, you can start reading the Swami Charitra Saramrut. I generally read all 21 adhyay on the same day. I'm a slow reader, so it takes a little time for me to read this complete 21 adhyay. A lot of people also read 3 adhyay on a single day and then complete it on 7 days. So the 23 adhyays over a period of 7 days. You can do that also. When you're reading Swami Charitra Saramrut, it's always preferred that you do this a little early in the morning because there is less disturbance. I generally do it very early in the morning so that you can read this with a lot of focus and a lot of understanding. I have Swami Charitra Saramrut, which is in Marathi, but then, and I've been using this for the last 7 years, but then I understand Swami Charitra Saramrut is also available in English and in Hindi and other languages. I saw the English one recently on Amazon. Once you're done reading all the 21 adhyay of Swami Charitra Saramrut, the last step is where we offer a Naivedya to the God. It's a very common practice to offer food to the God during worship, and this food is what we called as Naivedya. And we all believe that each god has some favorite food, and we always try to offer that as a Naivedya. I always make sure that I keep besan laddu whenever I do this puja. You can also offer whatever you have prepared for lunch for that day as Naivedya. If there's nothing, you can also just skip milk by adding a little sugar. We offer milk as a Naivedya every day to the god by adding little sugar. So you can do that also. We offer Naivedya by sprinkling little water along with 2 tulsi leaves. One leaf is what we placed on the Naivedya, and the second leaf is what we generally placed at the god's holy feet. While performing puja vidhi, you can also keep some water in a small pot with the lid for the god, and once the puja is done, this water can be taken as a prasad by everyone. After you're done with offering Naivedya, the last step is to perform Aarti. There are a lot of Swami Samartha Aarti that is available. You can read any of these Aarti. Once you're done with reading Aarti, join hands along with you, the whole family, and you can express gratitude to Swami Samartha for providing this opportunity to perform this puja today. Remember to keep a very strong faith in God that Swami will come and He will answer your prayer. It's very important that you have very, very strong belief in Swami. We make sure that the diya that we have lit today, it is there throughout the day. So these are the simple steps that you can follow. Even if you don't follow any of these steps, it is okay. What is really important is that you have very strong faith in Swami and read Swami Charitra Saramrut with lot of Shraddha, and Swami will surely answer your prayer. Shri Swami Samartha.